Warning for coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 4:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:14 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 20 nautical miles south of Farewell Buoy, moving northwest at 45 knots. Hazard: waterspouts. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 4:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles. Here's your National Weather Service